Hi guys, so today I'm dyeing my hair peach, hopefully, fingers crossed if that's how it turns out. But I'm just going to kind of risk it. I'm going to risk it because I'm impatient and you know that I never go into this with the stars aligning. So fingers crossed for me. I hope I don't want to die at the end of this. Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of I Want to Die. I'm here doing it solo. I don't trust Tiasha with this because I think it's just destined to fail from the beginning. This could work. I don't know. Peach hair? Kid Jess? I don't know. Let's follow my journey.
Let's do it.
I'm using a mix of Arctic Fox Sunset Orange and Virgin Pink. I think I did a bit more orange than pink, and I'm just kind of going for it. Tiasha suggested a really good suggestion of dyeing the roots like a more vibrant orange to kind of cover up the purple. I'm also gonna get a brush right now because my hair like clumps together. Please work. Please work. Use my makeupless face. I just woke up and wanted to do this before we filmed some other videos.
Someone told me in the last video where I dyed my hair silver that you're not supposed to brush your hair with dye in it.
That's a great tidbit and I respect and believe it. I just feel like my hair clumps and then I can't get into the clumps.
Yeah, I think
I'm gonna do it.
I think that was under the impression that you would do this strand by strand.
Oh yeah, that's not happening. I'm sorry to whoever commented that, and now you've got to see me do this for like 40 minutes.
Look at the size of that strand, Millie's just doing it all
I
together.
know. I know, I'm a disgrace to hairdressers around the world. I'm making some powerful enemies. But maybe they'll take pity on me and be like, I'll do your hair. Jesus, just put it down. But like I've always said, we do these videos not as an instruction video. Please never follow what we do. Just watch us fail. We're just here to provide comedic relief with our lives so you don't have to.
It looks really purple in real life.
Does it? Is it just going more purple? Because for the fans at home, when we dyed Tiasha's hair pink, it just went straight up purple again. So it might just go purple, which is fine. I actually liked having purple hair. I don't know, it's definitely not looking peach to me.
Yeah, maybe there's too much, maybe it's just gonna go pink.
Which is fine with me.
Oh my god, pink will look cool.
I'm back on the pink train.
Well, that's the same pink that turned my hair purple. So.
Yeah. I think Virgin Pink's a very cold pink. I'm very confused by this colour. It looks like really peachy in the tin that we've made, but that's okay.
Girl, you are rushing this.
Well, it's just so I can have time to go over it properly.
Okay, so exciting.
I love dyeing hair.
Yeah, me too.
Regardless of the outcome, it's about the journey and the friends that we make along the way. I think with all my hair falling out from the bleach, I have less to dye, so we're actually not running out of colour this time.
Oh my god.
So silver linings to everything, my dudes. Do you ever just... I'm pretty much Guy Tang, I'm pretty much Brad Mondo. They get me. It's definitely going purple.
It is looking quite purple.
It's looking very purple. I did the worst thing recently, guys. I'll put a picture in here, but old Mel had like a couple to drink and decided to dye her hair purple. And it went like 2007 MySpace goth emo dark purple. Nothing wrong with it, but on me personally, it just looks so gothic and so strange and very Hot Topic. Nothing wrong with Hot Topic, but on me. Good. Don't drink and die. Is the back just like blonde? Don't laugh at me.
Oh wow.
Is it bad? Okay. Fuck. I haven't done the back yet. It's like a giant, okay.
Just get all your roots around there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Feel it. I can feel how dry it is.
This bit.
More dye on my hands.
Oh girl.
Am I getting it?
Look at this.
Am I getting it?
Look at this, guys.
I'm getting destroyed. Am I getting it? This is why you should always have a friend with you. Because you think you've done a good job. I can promise you guys, you haven't. Wait, so you didn't actually just offer any help? You just laughed at me? Have I missed the back?
Yes.
Okay. Me and Ariana Grande have one thing that's not in common. And so I never wear my hair up. So luckily... Thank you, next.
It's the one thing you have.
That's the one thing we don't have in common. If I had to like list me and Ariana's dissimilarities, I don't wear my hair up. But that's probably it. That's probably all I can think of that separates me from Ariana Grande.
I've never seen you two in the same room.
Have any of you? Gotta get the burns. I got real sideburns from my Egyptian heritage.
Yeah, did you guys know that about Millie?
I'm Egyptian. I'm half Egyptian. 50% Cairo represent. But I do not identify as Egyptian. It always looks like it's like fully covered, looks great, and then you wash it and like this part vibrant, that part didn't get touched apparently. Apparently never saw dye. I'm gonna leave it for about 20 minutes. I don't know, guys, I need your help. Is putting it in part of the processing? Like, do you count that? You know what I mean? When it says 30 minutes developing time, is that post like I'm done? Or, because it's obviously developing while you put it in. I think I'm done. Okay.
All right, so you guys are in 25 minutes?
Yeah, 25. Josh's gonna be the voice of reason. I think my hair's gone the same color as my towel. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it out now, guys. I think it's gone like a pinky purple dusky color. I'm not sure. It's not peach.
Yeah, where did the orange go?
Not here. I'm sorry that I told you guys we were doing peach today. I lied. These things can't be foretold. Goodbye. I don't know what color it is. We're gonna find out.
No!
It's kind of looking orange.
Yeah.
Part of it is orange and part of it's pink.
We'll see. I need to be near an outlet. I'm so sorry for that. It looks even. So I actually haven't properly seen it, but it looks like it's just pink. Back me up here.
Yeah, there's some orange tones to it, but it really is. It looks like your hair before when you dyed your hair pink with yellow, like blonde hair.
Yes. So now I'm just gonna quickly do a strand test of if I just put orange dye with conditioner over the top of this pink hair and see if it can go any more peach. It may not work, but we'll see.
Let's try it.
Woo!
Is that the strand?
That's the strand. Okay guys, I've done a strand test, so it's just developing. I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes, but so far it looks really good, and I think we might have to, if it washes out and looks really nice, we're probably gonna do a whole thing of orange over my head, just because it looks really pretty, and it is more of the peach that I wanted. It looks really nice.
Yeah, you need to learn to not fear orange.
I've been raised to fear orange, guys. I've been told to fear orange. Wow.
Okay guys, it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's definitely peach, the strand test.
It's like peach. We're doing it.
So we're doing it.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Is that how
Okay.
much you wanted to put in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, round 2, baby.
Oh my god, it fell back in.
The lid.
Oh, that's so funny. Okay. Properly mix it so there's no fucking weird strands of Hayley Williams orange. Brad Mondo! When will Senpai notice me? So I've put an entire layer of just orange and conditioner in because we did a strand test and it looked freaking amazing, and it really was the peach that I wanted. So I think it's gonna look really pretty. The
This
color
is so
I'm
much more
seeing-
promising, like just looking
This
at
looks
it on your hair.
Amazing. I'm like all about this. And Tiasha was right, I need to stop being scared of orange. Because like even if I did look like Hayley Williams, that'd be sick. That'd be sick. I still want to come to Pretty Pastel Please's gig. Because I'd win. Hey guys, so Tiasha betrayed me and went to get bacon and egg rolls with her boyfriend, so I was left to wash out the dye and blow dry it while she was gone so I could give her a big reveal at the end. This is the final product and I'm very happy with it. A plane just went overhead, hold on. So this is the finished product. I actually am so chuffed with how it turned out. I think it looks really cool and really vibrant, and it's gonna like fade to a nice peach, and it is like a really nice cool vibrant peach right now. I think it turned out really cool, and I think the second round of orange really helped achieve the color that I wanted. I'm sorry that I have like half a face of makeup on right now. We're about to film one of our Shane and Jeffrey reaction videos, so I'm kind of barefaced and looking crazy right now. Plus I've had 2 showers, which is too many in my opinion. But yeah, it turned out really well. It looks super even. Don't read me in the comments, but it looks really good. Look at me, a peach, a vibrant peach. I also know that there is an Arctic fox color. I think it's called like, I don't remember what it's called, but which I think is like actually this color. So I could have just gotten that. But I like experimenting, playing around, and now I've learned the perfect color combination, which is a bit more orange. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I'm gonna keep transforming my hair and winging it. But I think it turned out really good. And since Tiasha's now eating her bacon and egg roll, I'm gonna have to say by myself, keep it cute and keep it sweet. Bye!
You guys are really awesome.